Hello and welcome folks, my name is Fake Fairy Tale and today I am here with the 30-minute challenge of my challenge runs. I tried out the 10-minute challenge runs and in the end the result was, well, more or less the same than it would be for a 5-minute run. So I decided to scratch that and move on to the 30-minute, simply because there will be probably a significant difference in quality between the 5 and 30-minute challenge, but not as much between the 5 and 10-minute challenge. So without further ado, I set up my textures already. I'll be running the timer in the top right corner. I'll speed the video up for you guys so you don't have to watch the full 30 minutes, and I'll play some music. And I hope to see you in the end. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. And that's it. I went 4 seconds over time, but oh well, I hope you guys can forgive me for that. I like the end result that I have here. It's a little guard post I decided to make. You have some cards coming through here. I think that can be a very interesting place to have some combat encounters. You have a little elevations here like the tower or perhaps a balcony on top of this building. There's some objects and crates, barrels, a rock and a tent that people can interact with while they're here. So I think overall it looks quite well. This is, well, I wouldn't publish it just yet, but given the 30 minutes, which is still quite fast, I realized a few times that I was looking at the time and seeing how fast it went by. That was rough, but I think I could have done a lot worse, so I like it. Now, I hope that I see some of your submissions passing by as well. In the previous challenge of 5 minutes, I already saw one from Mulk, which I thought was very clever. He used some roofs. I'll link his video in the description, so if you want to see what he did in 5 minutes, then go check that out. And if you want to make an attempt, then please do. If you're unable to figure out how to record everything, do be sure to reach out. I can either record a small instruction video or just walk you through the process of setting everything up. That's it for now though. I hope to see you again in the next challenge runs and the next videos, of course. If you like this run and if you like the challenge, please hit the like, favorite or subscribe button to help me get my videos out there. And see you again in the next video.